Leslie
and Lexy
here at Light Elegance headquarters in Redmond, Oregon. And we're getting ready to cozy up to fall. It's the new fall collection. And we had so much fun with this because when we were researching the colors that are going to be hot for fall, and we found out that they're warm mauves, intoxicating taupes, and rich neutrals.
Ooh, I love that.
And those are fun colors to work with.
Yes, we did a lot of kind of earth tones, like she said, some neutrals, but we did throw in a couple cool, unique ones for you guys as well.
Well, you got to have those that make you strut and make you pop and all that kind of stuff.
Little confidence.
Yeah.
So
anyway, so let's run through the colors, Lex.
Yes.
So we have Easy Breezy, Burberry, Dewdrop, Storm Chaser, Thunderstruck, and I Missed You.
Rain, Go Away, Nippy, London Fog, Sweater Weather, Indian Summer, and What the Hell.
Now, that doesn't get you ready for fall. I don't know what it is.
It makes me cold, kind of. But
well, I wore my cozy sweater.
I know, you did.
I know.
You did good.
You're not
I'm still
letting go.
rocking the tee.
She rocks it well, though. All right, now
Let's dive in.
Let's dive in and let's explain the colors. Are we starting? I guess we're starting with me, and the first one I'm going to talk about is one of our color gels, which is called Easy Breezy. This is going to be a staple and one that it is a creamy tan neutral with a rosy pink undertone. So as you can see, it's a tan, but it's a darker tan. It's not like a light neutral that'll wash you out. It has some color to it.
It has some punch to it, and it's very pigmented. So it does kind of, it's like a bolder neutral.
It is. It's got color, and it does have, it's not a pink, but it has a little bit of that kind of pink undertone to it, like we said. So this one, and this one is going to go with every outfit that you have for fall.
It is.
It's going to be.
It'll be a staple, like
it'll be a go-to. So it's rich and creamy.
Okay, I'm going to go with the next one that is probably my favorite. And I also named it, so it's like special. London Fog.
Oh.
I also love to drink
Hello,
London Fogs.
you Brent.
Yeah.
I love you.
So this one is a nice muddy grayish purple. We kind of had an argument over this one because I said it. Well,
where have I been?
Well, when we go through the colors before this, I was like, it's kind of what I would call the trendy one out of the bunch, just because it has that
and
kind
I said,
of.
no.
And she thinks it's kind of a classic color.
I do, because it is.
But it's that muddy mauvey purple, which is very trendy.
Right. But it reminds me, I would put it in the purple neutrals, if there's such a thing. So that's why I don't think it's real trendy.
It's Selena, where's my girl? She's going to love this. It's going to be a Selena favorite.
Oh, you're going to love it, girl.
The muddy ones. Yeah. So this is going to be really popular.
It is. It's going to be so easy to wear. So it's one of those purples that if you're not like you don't like your purples a whole bunch.
It's a great purple.
It's a safe purple.
It is a safe purple.
And it's perfect for fall. It's the intoxicating taupe.
It is.
Taupe. So
it is like a taupe.
It's a good one. Yeah. Next one is Burberry. You get that? This is probably my favorite because it is a rich, creamy cranberry red. And when I say rich, I mean this one, and it goes on, the coverage is amazing. And it's a red cranberry, so it's just, it's got a lot of pop to it. It has some brightness to it.
But it's pretty deep.
But it's deep.
It's sophisticated and sexy.
It is.
It's a sexy red.
If you kind of feel like in the fall, you're brightening up your spirits a bit, but still be very fall-like, the Burberry.
If you're a boss and you want to show it, this is the color you wear.
Oh,
it's kind of like, don't
that.
Cross me.
Yeah.
I'm wearing Burberry.
Yeah, you got to have some, you got to rock the confidence to wear Burberry.
You do. You totally have
know.
to have confidence to wear this color.
And I don't think we really, because it's in that wine red cranberry place, and I don't think we have anything really like it. In fact, I think it's a color that I hate to say that we're lacking in.
We filled a void here.
We did.
So that's nice.
Burberry.
So my next one, Nippy, which I love that name.
It's great.
For multiple reasons.
In fall, it gets a little nippy. I don't know what she's talking about.
I know. Yeah, my brain. So this one is a highly packed with shimmer burgundy purple.
Yes.
It's kind of the burgundy, though, so it kind of is a brownie purple.
Is this the one that is so much like...
This is the one that it's a good replacement for Romeo and Juliet. It leans a little bit more on the purple side, where Romeo and Juliet was a little bit more of a brown.
Right.
But we discontinued that one. It was an all-time favorite for people. So wipe your tears.
Yes.
Because it has that same effect as Romeo and Juliet, that just you want to swim and dive in all that shimmer. But it is a nice burgundy, nice dark burgundy.
Yeah, but it can almost look a little brown too. So it's really dark. It's dark. It's rich and dark, and I can see the burgundy in it. It's a very dark burgundy.
Yeah.
But sometimes why it reminds us of Romeo and Juliet, because you can kind of see a little bit of brown to it. But
And just the shimmer.
oh,
in it.
and it's not a frost. It's got that classic shimmer rather.
She's sexy and she knows it.
She is sexy and she knows it. But once again, it's one that it's kind of outside the neutral range that gives you a little bit of pop and color
Yes.
that you need. You need a few of those. And so, fantastic. Dewdrop is the next one, and it is a bright silver metallic. In fact, when you put this on, it's going to almost look like you have foil. And one thing you're going to
one coat coverage.
Oh my God! When you take the brush, it just goes boom, and it glides so nicely, and it completely covers. This is also your Dewdrop is going to be fabulous for art and line work. This will take you into the holidays.
It's year-round color.
It is.
It is a year-round color. That silver is so shiny. It's almost blinding.
It is.
We've had some similar stuff like Three Blind Mice, Seas Glass Slipper. There's
Right.
been some silvers we've had. Nothing shines and foils quite like this one.
And people could say, oh, you already have like a silver, but what we're always doing here at Light Elegance is finding better pigments and better stuff to put in. And so it may be along the same lines as the ones that you just stated, but this pigment.
It brings it up.
Oh,
It brings it up a
yeah,
notch.
yeah.
So super fun.
Dewdrop is a must. Like I said, that's fall, and it'll take you through the holidays.
Yes. So Rain, Rain, Go Away.
Oh,
which,
that's cute.
I know.
I sing that a lot in the fall and winter. That's my favorite song.
It's a dramatic blue shimmer, kind of a midnight blue shimmer in a black base. So
dark.
it almost looks black, but it has these specks of blue that kind of capture the light. Really unique and fun one.
Right. So it's a dark one, but yet as you kind of turn your nails and stuff, it captures this.
Oh, it's almost a shift coloring
kind of.
one.
You just notice a little bit of, it doesn't always stay the same color, because that little bit of glitter in there just kind of pops the blue. And it's a good blue. It's not a real heavy blue. It's kind of an exciting, fun blue.
It is.
But it is a dark base. It's, as you can see, it's going to be fun.
It's fantastic. Yeah.
It'll put a little skip in
It's
your step.
one of the more kind of fun ones.
Yes, and it definitely Rain, Rain, Go Away, right?
Yeah.
I love it. All right, those are the colors, and so don't forget, you can get them, all these colors individually, or you can get it in the pack. And remember, when you do purchase the pack, you get one free. And also, and can never forget, we have it in our Silk Off formula and our hard gel formula. So, like I say, Light Elegance has every one of you covered out there. We've got everything that you need.
Yep.
So I know you're excited, because now we're diving into the glitters.
Yes, these are fun.
These are fun. So our first one is Storm Chaser, and this is a fine dark, it's a multicolored glitter, and it contains various purples and blue in it. So it's got kind of a dark base, and these fine glitters are all working together, the blues and the purples. So it just, I wouldn't say it's bright in your face, though, by any means, but it just has a lot of dimension to it. And
It's our only multicolored glitter gel
Yeah.
out of the 6. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit more unique, a little bit out there, a little bit more funky, this multi one is going to be for you. And our blues and purple lovers will love it.
Oh, yeah, and there's lots of you guys out there. And, you know, when you say funky, it does have a bit of funk to it, but it's not funky.
No, but compared to the rest, it's kind of more of the unique one of the bunch.
It is. Yeah, and you're right. The blues and purple, you guys are going to love it. So another thing that I would do is, my suggestion on this is, it doesn't.
Do you have a suggestion?
I have many suggestions. We could do a whole bunch of videos on my suggestions. But on this one, when you put it on, I think it's a little sparse. I would put it over a dark color. Like take a black tie and then put this over. Oh my gosh.
Or even a dark purple.
A dark purple, a dark blue. It's going to make it that much richer. I really think that this is one that you need to put over a
Enhance.
color. Oh, it's just going to put that whole package on there. It's going to be very sophisticated with some funk. but it's dark and
Yeah.
very fall.
I agree.
Right?
Yep.
But I would put it over a dark color. That's my suggestion.
Okay.
I have more if you want to call
Yeah, we'll
me.
stop her at 1.
Yeah.
Done. Cut off.
I'll go on and
All
on.
right, next is sweater weather.
Yeah, see? I should have been doing that one.
I know.
You're in t-shirt weather.
I know. Sweater weather. This is an awesome color. This one's cool because it's a mix of 50% black glitter and 50% fuchsia glitter. And the combination between the two is great because that black glitter gives it that dark effect, but it does have that kind of bright fuchsia in there that gives it kind of a enhancement when the light hits it.
I think
super fun.
I think it's like a dark sky that has fuchsia stars that twinkle.
It is. It does
I
twinkle.
haven't seen any fuchsia stars before, but we just invented them.
But it does. They twinkle on that black. It's really a cool one. So for you fuchsia people, this is a fun
But yet it
pink
has that black underneath it, and you guys are always asking for black glitter, and it's hard to do black glitter, and this black that we have with the fuchsia is perfect for that.
It's nice.
So it's fabulous. Thunderstruck. You rose gold people, this is a new twist on rose gold that's going to be really popular because it's a fine golden orange glitter. I would call it not a rose gold, I'd call it a copper gold.
Yes.
But it has that effect of that same look. It just has a little more of the copper rather than the rose. But it has that kind of lighter gold. So the two of them work really well together. But this is really popular.
It's going to be a staple.
It is. It's fun. And it's not too orange. It's not in the heavy orange.
Is this the one that's kind of in the cinnamon collection? The cinnamon family?
Yes, it is. I would call it in our cinnamon that we have. This one would go into that family, but it's a little more diverse, I think, and it has that. It has more of a mixture to it of the
Copper meets gold.
It does, and it's
really
a light
nice.
gold. It's not a heavy yellow gold. So this is going to be your new fall rose gold.
Ooh,
I'm predicting.
She's putting it on the
we
table.
We invented something really cool that's going to go.
You're throwing some fighting words out there.
I am, and I challenge anybody to come up with a better one. How do you like that? I'm feeling kind of funky. It's not funky, but
you're feeling like your chest puffed up a little.
Well,
I like it. I'm going to go right in with kind of a similar one, but different. This is Indian Summer. So this is another copper one, but it's a completely different copper.
It is.
This is a copper with no gold.
Right.
So it's darker, and it's just one copper shade.
It's not multi.
It's not multi, and it's...
But it is copper. I call it a shiny copper because it has a lot of pop and shine to it. It's bright,
but it's deeper and darker.
It is. Yeah, it's kind of hard, but as you can see, it's fabulous and it's spot on for fall. It really is. This is going to be a go-to for you. It's great. It's going to go with your browns and your oranges and your coppers and your tans and the Burberries and things like that.
It's going to look good holding your London fog.
There you go. You're with your Burberry scarf on and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, we've got your whole wardrobe planned. Next, I'm gonna go. I missed for you. I missed you.
I missed you.
I missed, like in, the weather mist. I thought that we were pretty clever there. This is a really ultra fine glitter. It's a white gold, and then it has some larger pieces in it, and they're the gold throughout. This one has fabulous coverage.
Yeah, this is almost a one coat coverage.
This is one you don't need to put.
Did you say it was ultra fine?
It's ultra fine.
Ultra fine goes on really good.
So it has that ultra fine. It has that kind of real that look that really kind of coverage is really good, almost like a little foil look. And then there's just a few big pieces that pop throughout it, so it gives a little bit of dimension. It's fun. Another one that I think will take you through the holidays also.
Yeah, it's kind of a year-round one.
It is, but it's fabulous for fall. It's going to be fun. And once again, you can do some art with this because it has such great coverage.
Yes,
and it has that
It'll
pop.
be great for fades and whatnot.
I missed you.
Okay, last but not least is What the Hail. This one's probably the most unique one of the bunch. This one is flakes, so they're kind of the different shaped glitters. They're not round. They're flakes of steel gray meets silver.
Yeah.
So very dramatic, dark, but it does have that kind of shiny silver-esque to it.
Yeah.
So this is a really fun one.
Yeah, it has a lot of
A lot of dimension to it.
It does. It's kind of a dark slate gray one. It's kind of real. Once again, I think it's kind of sophisticated. What I like about this is, like Lexy said, is there's the lighter silver pieces are different shape. They're not the round ones, so you get that unique look with it.
Yeah.
And the only one I think it's closest to, but it's not, is like a gunmetal, but it has more lighter pieces in it. When you say more of a slate gray rather than the darkness.
Yeah, the silver in it's more shiny. It's quite
And
different.
they're bigger pieces.
Yeah.
It's fun. It's fabulous. It can be you could dress this one up and go out to the fanciest party, or just wear it with your jeans.
Yeah,
it's going to go both ways.
It's nice. It's versatile.
It is. So
Well, cool. High five. We did it.
Woohoo! You know, cozy up to fall with light elegance colors. We are just so on trend here. And once again, you can get the colors and the glitters in the packs in both hard gel and then also our Soak Off P Plus. And gosh,
Go grab your umbrellas and put a sweater on.
It's going to make you want to get a cup of London Fog or a cup of coffee, get by a fire, put your scarf on, your rain boots, your umbrellas, and you know, we got to embrace the time of change here into fall.
So this is for pre-order now, and it will ship out August 1st for you guys.
So we're thinking ahead. I know it's still summer, but you know, your clients are going to want to transition.
Oh, once September hits or end of August, people are ready for a change.
They are, and they're excited for it, and we want to give you time to make sure they're at your salon and you know what you want to do with them. And we're going to give you some ideas also on what you can do with these colors. So go to your YouTube video or after this video.
We got your back.
We do. And well, come and
Thank
cozy
you,
up
guys.
with Lexy and I. I'll cozy up with you.
I'll cozy up with you.
I'll share my umbrella with you any day.
Aw. Well, have a great fall, you guys.
Bye.
Bye.